Master ChatGPT-5 like a pro. Welcome to Tech Parades. Still using ChatGPT like a basic chatbot? You're missing out on 90% of its power. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT-5 like a pro. First up, custom GPTs, tailor-made tools for your needs. Example: Meet Biz Boost, that can craft emails effortlessly. No coding skills? No problem, build custom GPTs easily. Next, upload and analyze your files seamlessly. Just say, summarize this 100-page report, and let it do the work. ChatGPT-5 can read documents, analyze images, and even understand code. Use its personal assistant features for organizing your life. Be specific with time, goals, and tone for better results. Want to refine your writing? ChatGPT-5 can help here too. Just give it a prompt and watch your words transform. Now, let's talk about voice and vision features. Ask questions like, "What's in this photo?" and get instant insights. Or say, "Explain this graph," for a clearer understanding. For those intricate tasks, use advanced prompts for multi-step workflows. Enable memory and let it remember your style and preferences. In summary, ChatGPT-5 is far more advanced than a mere chatbot. It's your smartest teammate when used correctly. Did any feature blow your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this helped, give a like and subscribe to Tech Parades. Don't forget to hit notifications for more content. Catch our next video for more future tech insights.